احنا كنا ننتظر في جائزة نوبل في حقوق الإنسان، فإذا نوليو قال لك حقهم داروا خروقات وكذا. أين هي حقوق الإنسان؟ كما تلاحظون أنا لا أذكر واحترم البلدان الأخرى، لكن تلاحظون راهي بالقتلى وكذا إلى آخره، ولا نريد التدخل أبدا خصوصا باسم حقوق الإنسان في مشاكلنا الداخلية. وشكرا.
Very concerned about the deteriorating human rights situation in Algeria and the continued and increasing crackdown on members of the pro-democracy Hirak movement. Protests which have been continuing online as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic have resumed on the streets in recent weeks, with the authorities responding in the same repressive manner seen in 2019 and 2020. Journalists have been arrested for covering or reporting on the protest movement, and 16 independent online media outlets known for their critical reporting have been blocked. Vaguely worded provisions of the Algerian Penal Code are being used to unduly restrict freedom of expression and to prosecute people expressing dissenting opinions. According to credible reports, some 1,000 individuals have so far been prosecuted for participating in the Hirak movement or for posting social media messages critical of the government. According to the same reports, at least 32 people are currently detained for the legitimate exercise of their human rights, and some of them face lengthy sentences while others are still in pretrial detention. We have also received allegations of torture and ill treatment in detention, including sexual violence. We call upon the Algerian authorities to stop using violence against peaceful protesters and cease arbitrary arrests and detention. We urge the authorities to immediately and unconditionally release all those arbitrarily arrested or detained for allegedly supporting Hirak and to drop all charges against them. We also call on the authorities to conduct prompt, impartial and effective investigations into all allegations of torture and ill treatment in detention and hold all those responsible accountable and ensure that victims have access to redress. And finally, and very importantly, we urge the authorities to repeal legal provisions and policies that are being used to prosecute people who exercise their rights to freedom of expression and opinion and peaceful assembly.